Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest episode on the Scan Tool Network. In this video, we're going to be looking at the best diagnostic scan tools and code readers for Volvo and Saab vehicles in 2021 and 2022. And at the end of this video, I'll tell you which of these tools I would personally choose given my 15 years experience in the field. Now I'm going to put links to all of these kits in the video description and in the pinned comments section. So please be sure to follow those links and they will take you to genuine and official products, because fakes and clones do exist, so be very careful. I'm going to be starting with the cheapest tool, working my way along to the most expensive, and you'll generally find that the most expensive tool has the most functionality, but that doesn't mean to say that the cheapest tool won't do the job for you just as well for exactly what you need. It all really depends. It's all about finding a tool which is suitable for you, your needs, your vehicle, and your specific budget as well. So we're going to start with the iCar Soft VOL version 1.0 kit. That's Vol for Volvo, even though it does cover Saab as well. And this tool will allow you to diagnose and reset the main systems in those vehicles. So the likes of the engines, the airbags, the ABS and the transmission. As a minimum, you could expect this tool to do those. It does do some other systems as well, depending on what systems are installed into that vehicle. But really, you're looking at the four main systems there. That is what most DIYers look to get out of the tool as well. It also does, when we talk about sort of code reading, it's separate to service functionality, and the service functionality in this tool is quite limited. You only get one service function, which is the oil service reset. But that's perfect if that's all you need to use the tool for. So let's say you had an airbag light, you need to diagnose and reset that. This tool will do it. Same as the engine, the ABS, transmission, and oil service as well, and a few more systems as well, like I say, depending on what's installed. So we move on to the iCar Soft LR version 2, the VOL version 2.0 kit. This kit will do everything that this kit will do, but this does have additional functions, okay? So a lot of the newer cars, they do have obviously more systems and more functionality in those cars. This tool will allow you to gain access and manipulate those systems. So those additional systems could be things like electronic parking brake, DPF regeneration and reset, injector coding, ABS brake bleeding, throttle reset, steering angle sensor reset, new battery registration. It all really depends on which of those systems are installed into your vehicle. Just because this tool covers things like DPF and steering angle sensor doesn't necessarily mean it covers it on all cars. So I'll put an email address in the description. Contact Diagnostic World if you are unsure as to whether those special functions will cover your specific vehicle. But that is generally about £50 more than that. But obviously you do get the additional service functions on there as well. So then we move on to the iCar Soft EU Pro Kit. This tool will do everything that these tools will do, but this covers more manufacturers. So if you had a Volvo in your family and you also had, say, I don't know, a BMW or Mercedes, VW, Audi, and you wanted to cover both of those vehicles, then by all means I would look at something like this. This is the EU Pro. So you don't lose any functionality of these kits when going for a kit like this. In fact, you get the functionality of these tools in all manufacturers. So you get the functionality in your BMWs and your Mercedes as well as your Volvo and your Saabs. So that's a good option if you mainly work with or sort of have and maintain European vehicles. I'll get my words out. We move on to the iCar Soft CR Pro next. Again, this tool covers everything that these will cover, but this covers worldwide manufacturers. So this will do the Asian manufacturers like Nissan, Subaru, Isuzu, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Honda, Suzuki. This tool covers those. A good option, in my opinion, probably one of the best value for money tools out there, but we'll come to that in a moment. And then we move on to the Autel Mk808 kit. Without question, this tool is the best out of all of these tools, but this kit is about double the price of this kit. So it's a big steep in price. It's probably out of the reach of most DIYers when it comes to budgets. So this is probably more aimed at probably DIYers who don't have a budget at all, who've got a lot of money to spend on tools like this. And also, I guess, if you work in a car-related environment, like a small garage or a workshop, or a mobile mechanic, and you just don't know what vehicle you're going to be dealing with on a day-to-day basis, then this is probably the tool for you. It covers more manufacturers, it covers way more system and special functions as well. I think it has about 25 special functions. And it does everything, all of these special functions, but it also does things like adaptation, gear learning, suspension, calibration, and a lot more. But as I say, the links will be in the description, so you get a full idea of what they're capable of by clicking those links. Now, my personal recommendation, I said I would specifically choose one which I would recommend. Given my experience, if I was looking for a value for money tool that gives me the most vehicle coverage, the most system coverage, and the most special function coverage, I would go for this one here. This is without doubt probably the best value for money tool on the market, I would say right now, the iCar Soft CR Pro Kit. So have a look at all of these, as I say, in the links below. As I say, the links will be in the description, the links will be in the pinned comments, but make sure you follow those links because they will take you to the official and the genuine products. Like I say, be aware of the fakes and the clones, and if you are unsure about any of these kits, whether they're going to be suitable for your vehicle, I'll put the email address to Diagnostic World in the description below this video, and they can answer that for you, and they'll give you a quick answer as to whether it's going to be suitable for your needs or not. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up. It would really help the video and the channel. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on the Scan Tool Network.